Right, I'm going to have a go at this other handle here. I've just cut this other handle off, and this is the second one I'm doing now, so I've got a bit of an idea. I've got a bit of a split on there, and this is a really dry old handle, and we want to get that up in here. So this here is quite dry, so it's carving off okay. I can control it a lot more instead of getting big slithers. I think this is all very old dried wood on the outside here at first. So I've sharpened the old axe up here with the trusty chisel file. And I quite like outdoor stuff. It just keeps you connected with the times where you've got to make the most of what you've got. Let's have a look here. Yeah, we'll get that, because this time that's not going to take much away, is it? So long as I keep going around, and it stays fairly even with what I'm taking off, and just a bit heavier to taper it at the end here. Yep, we're nearly there. I'll try and do a better job on this one. Something's crawling up my leg. I'll look around. That bloody hose probably behind me. Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, there's these bloody ants. A bit more there. Yeah, that's going to go in there quite nice. I see a couple of high spots there. Yep. Oh, I see. I've had a look in here, and it tapers off quite a bit. It tapers off down the end here quite a bit. So just wondering if this is sharper. we'll use the axe, better control with the axe here. We're fixing the tool, we don't want to make a tool of ourselves. Yeah, look at that. Now, I'll just check how far I'm in there, and I think I'll go for a bang. I think I'll give my tool a good bang here. Now let's, I'll just straighten this camera up here now. And yeah, that looks like it does the trick quite nicely. We're a little bit bent, so I'll get it in a bit straighter. I want the handle sort of in a bit of more of a straight line. Probably down there. So I just might take a bit more off it up here. See how that goes. So I want to look down the handle and make sure it's pretty straight. When it goes in, that's crooked. Get away. That's not bad. Oh, that's good there. Yeah, that's good. That is good there. Right. That's good. I got that right up there. Yeah, that's wicked. So there you go. I'll straighten this camera up. One new slashing tool. One new slashing tool, that's good. We're nice and straight down there. And I've got just a slight curve on down here, a slight bow. So that'll give me just that much more leverage. So we're done. Number 2. Granny's repairs. I'm now a new tool. So there you go, there's the 2 new slashes. New handles, ready to go. Get another 50 years out of them, I reckon. Thumbs up. I reckon that makes me the sharpest tool in the box today. Not bad. Well, there's the property there. Fence line.